Today I'm going to be checking out this first aid kit that I was sent so I can do this review. Let's get it out of the packaging and see everything that's in it. First thing I got to say is I love the little bag that it comes in. It's got this strap on it that's like a compression strap, so you can strap it down tight, or you could also use it to hold it this way. It's got the zipper here on the side. It's got two zippers, so you don't have to find the one zipper to open it up. It's got these straps here so you can strap it to your backpack. It's got little D-ring type of hook things here so you can strap that there. I mean, it's just something that looks like it will easily connect to any kind of backpack, hiking. You could strap this to an ATV, four-wheeler, anything. You know, anytime you're going out camping or anything like that, you'll be able to bring this. So I really like the little bag that it's in. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take everything out so you can see what's in it. So this is everything out of the bag, and I've got to say this is the most comprehensive first aid kit or even survival kit that I have ever owned. It has, I mean, everything I could even think of it's got fire starters, it's got a saw, it's even got a little bit of fishing tackle here. It's got a pin that can break things, Q-tips, cleansing wipes, you got some paracord here, you got compass with the paracord strap on it. This is like a fork, like a spork type of utensil, eating utensil. Bandages, you got tweezers, you got this little multi-tool, a manual that goes through all the information about this, bandages, emergency lights. You got gloves, gauze, a poncho, light sticks, another little first aid kit that's even got more stuff in it. I mean, this thing is packed. I opened up the little red safety first aid kit here. Comes with a knife, and it's a multi-tool knife. You've got another compass here, scissors, safety pins, tape. You got a whistle in here. You got some elastic rubber here that you could use for like tourniquets, things like that. Very cool. Super awesome kit. This is like a survival type of first aid kit. I would keep this with me for anything. This is like for any kind of emergencies. Very cool kit. Something I'd want to keep in my car. We actually were going to put this on our UTV. That was our plan. But this thing has so much stuff in it, and it's such a reasonable price that we may buy one of these for each one of our cars too. Again, it all fits in this little bag right here that straps down real nice and small and pretty much can connect to anything. I'm very impressed with this. I think you will be too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.